Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Miriam Masuga and welcome to my channel. This is a channel where we do cooking videos, so if that's the kind of content that you love, please consider subscribing so that you can join the rest of us. In today's episode, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make banana bread at home. So we are going to start by preparing the liquid ingredients, and by this we are going to need 2 medium-sized ripe bananas, which we are going to peel off and cut into pieces in a bowl. After that, you are going to smash the bananas. You can use a potato smasher or you can use a fork. They both bring the same results. So next we are going to add in 3/4 cup of sugar, and then we are going to add 3/4 cup of cooking oil or melted butter, and then we are going to add 2 eggs, and then we are going to add 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, and then we are going to give this a good mix until everything is well incorporated, and just like that our liquid mixture is ready. So next we are going to prepare our dry ingredients, and by this we are going to sift 1 cup of all-purpose baking flour. This is going to help us remove excess lumps from the flour if there are any. To our sifted flour, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon. You guys don't understand the aroma and taste that cinnamon brings in a cake. I think you should try this. And then we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of salt. Then we're going to give this a good mix. So next we are going to add our dry mixture into the liquid mixture, and then we are going to give this a good mix until we form our batter, which we're going to bake. Our batter is ready, and let's now prepare the baking tin. I got so many inquiries from my other video on what you guys should use when you don't have a grease-proof paper, and here is the alternative. So we are going to apply butter all around inside the sufuria, and then we are going to coat it with flour. I think everything is just very clear from the video, but this is a very good alternative if you don't have a grease-proof paper. It's going to assist in preventing our cake from sticking in the baking tin. So after that, we're going to pour in the butter into the baking tin, and it's now ready for baking. So we're going to bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 40 to 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, our cake is ready. We're going to remove it from the oven, and then we're going to let it cool before we enjoy the sweetness that is here. Anyway guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you're going to try this recipe out, and please don't forget to tag me on my Instagram at Miriam_Asuga wherever you try any of my recipes, so that I can be able to repost. So until the next video, bye bye.